Hey, what's up guys, this is Buddy from 𝐒𝐤𝐤𝐞, and in this video I will show you guys 15 iPhone tips and tricks that you should know. These are my favorite iPhone trick which I use the most. These iPhone tricks are very useful in day-to-day life, and it also makes easy for you to use your iPhones. There are tons of hidden iPhone tricks and all are really awesome. Also, one important trick that I want you to do right now is subscribe to the channel to stay up to date with iPhone latest features and updates, and press the bell icon so you don't miss any updates from us in the future, and it will also help our channel to grow. So let's start with the simple and most useful iOS feature, that is iOS widgets. So we have different clock sleep widgets, but we also have Siri suggested apps. I know most people don't use this, but it's really cool. Siri learns which apps you use at a certain time of the day, and it will show you those apps. So I have just added them over here, and you can add multiple widgets. They won't be repeated. So I just got here 16 apps that I use the most. These are updated based on Siri, how it suggests them based on time of the day. So you can have as many of these widgets as you want. Next few trick is for the Notes app. Suppose you make a list of things that you gonna do today, and among them some things you wanna sell or buy, or you're done some of them already. So you can actually move those rows which you have completed by swiping on them like this. You can either move them forward or backward, however you like. As we are in Notes app now, let's check another trick. Among the cool features of iOS 15, I am sure most people have no idea about this hidden menu that pops up by tapping 3 fingers anywhere. And you will get this option to undo, redo as well. You will also get these other options like cut, copy and paste. You can easily paste from here or undo anything from this list which pops up simply by tapping 3 fingers on your iPhone screen. Also, if you want to add signatures or draw anything you want, so the first words of that note will be shown as the title of the note. But when you sketch or sign, then tap on done. After that, swipe down like this and you can see suggested title new note over here. You can edit from here and enter the title name like sketch or my signature, etc. Now, when you open one of your notes and just swipe down like this, you will get the date over here when the note was created. Now, that's the time the note has been created, but it's not the last time this note has been edited. So to find out, you have to tap on it and it will switch from created to edited just like that. And now you have 2 different dates for your notes. Also, if you want to scan any document, the best way to do that is using the Notes app. You can tap on camera over here and then tap on scan documents. Or if you are on the home screen and you want to scan your docs quickly, just 3D touch on the Notes app and tap on scan document, and just like that you can start scanning your document and you are good to go. Next we have here is music recognition. As you know that Shazam has been integrated into iOS now, so you can find music without installing any third-party app. So music recognition is basically Shazam only. So to add music recognition to the control center, just go to the settings, here tap on control center, and in more control section you will find music recognition. So just tap on plus over here and it will add over here. So if you want to find any song names while you are watching movie or hearing any songs, just turn on music recognition and now you can play whatever you are watching or listening, and within few seconds it will give you the notification of the song details. So that's pretty impressive, isn't it? Now next trick is also in the control center. So in control center you will have flash button over here, and if not you can add it just like music recognition. So as you can turn on or off the flashlight like this, but when you 3D touch on it you will get this slider which will let you adjust the intensity of the flashlight. Most of you might not know this, but if you set the intensity over here and now you turn off the flash, it will stay like that. Now whenever you turn on your flash, its intensity will be set to second bar over here. So basically every time its intensity will be set only which you have set it last time. So another trick is for alarms, as most people create a lot of alarms on their iPhone. Not everyone wakes up by one alarm. So as you can see here, I have 3 alarms in the morning of 15 minutes gap. Now every night I have to tap on all of them to turn on, or if I woke up by the first alarm, I have to turn off other two alarms so it doesn't ring. So instead of tapping one by one, there is an easy trick to bypass that. It will turn on or off all at once. So just say, "Hey Siri, turn on all alarms," and just like that we have all alarms turned on. Also, you can turn them off by saying to Siri. How amazing is that? And while we are on the alarm section on the clock app, let me show you another trick that has been came in iOS 15. Now previously, if you want to edit your alarm, you have to tap on edit over here and then you can edit it. But with iOS 15, all you got to do is just tap on the alarm and you will be in the edit page. Also, Apple has replaced the old clock over here, so you can just use the scrolling wheel to edit the time, or if you don't like it, you can also use keyboard to manually enter the time. Now next is for the iPhone lock. So suppose someone has your iPhone and they are facing your iPhone towards you to unlock your iPhone with Face ID. So you can disable Face ID and lock your iPhone, and then it will be only unlocked with the passcode. So to do that, you have to ask Siri, "Hey Siri, whose iPhone is this?" And then right after that, your iPhone has been locked with a passcode. As you can see here, it says your passcode is required to enable Face ID. So with this simple trick, you can completely disable Face ID of your iPhone. Now next trick is for the camera app. So now if you want to take photos in burst mode, and if you tap and hold over here, it will actually start recording video, and that's really annoying as it used to be the burst mode by tapping and holding, but it doesn't work like that anymore. So now you can use burst mode by pressing and holding the volume up button and it will start taking photos. But if you don't want to use the volume button, then you can also just swipe like this and you don't have to press, or you can press and slide, or just slide like this and it will start taking burst pictures. How easy and amazing is that? Now as you can see over here that I have this widget over here. It's at the bottom, but as I have a gap over here, Apple won't allow you to do that, but that's a trick for that. So let's take a medium widget and place it over here. Now just remove these 4 apps from here and place it on the other page. And when you come back over here, you can see that the widget is there only. It looks much better like this. You can also do this with the smaller widgets too. It looks really nice like this. Let me know in the comment box what do you think about this trick. Now next trick is for the iMessage. iMessage has a really nice feature that is digital touch, and I know most people have never used it, but it's really cool feature. As you can see here, if you tap and hold, you can send this flame, and also you can change color from here, and if you want to write something, you can do that too. Also, if you tap record over here, you can record video or take pictures, and if you want to point something or you want to draw or sign, you can do that from here. Then tap right here if you want to send, and you will have the picture right there with all your marks or signatures that you have added to the image. Last but not the least, this one is a shortcut trick. So to shut down your iPhone, you have to press and hold 2 buttons, and then from here you can shut it down. Or another way is to go to the settings app, tap on general and scroll down at the bottom, then tap on shutdown. These are the long ways. So for that we have a shortcut over here. Link of the shortcut will be mentioned in the comment box. So just add this shortcut and then tap on it, and it will take you directly over here. Now just slide to shut down your iPhone. Also, to make it easier, just add widget of the shortcut on the home screen and shut down your iPhone anytime directly from the home screen. How easy and fast it is. So these are iPhone tips and tricks that I use and are very helpful. Let me know in the comment which trick you like the most. So that's all for the video. Thanks for watching. I hope these iPhone tips and tricks was useful. Subscribe to the channel for more iPhone videos. Also follow me on Instagram to get quick updates on iPhones. Now I will see you on the next one. Peace.